My dear children, today in class 10th, second chapter polynomials, graph sums, we are going to discuss. Graphs are here three varieties. The first one is linear polynomial. It will get only line graph. Second graph is parabola, that is quadratic polynomial. It will get only parabola, two zeros will come, that is parabola. And third one is cubic polynomial. It will get zigzag type pattern, that is cubic polynomial. Three variety of graphs are there, but another kind, fourth variety I shall show with the cubic polynomial only. Different kinds it will come, but it is 8 marks sum as well as 2 marks sum, compulsory sums these are. So better to learn, draw in a graph paper with a pencil only. You practice in with pencil, but to show very clearly I have drawn with a dark pencil. I have used, that is 3HB pencil. If it is not appeared means procedure you must learn, because it is almost appear nice only. So we are going to discuss first y is equal to 2x plus 3. This is the x power is only 1. Any power not there means 1. That means it has only 1 0. That means it has only 1 0. Now we are going to take a coordinate table x comma y, x comma y. See, x in one table, y is another, next x comma y is another. So you take x value, here y is equal to 2x plus 3, here y is equal to 2 into 0, put x value as 0, 2 into 0, 0 plus 3, y is equal to 3 got, y is equal to, we got 3, y is equal to 0 comma 3. Suppose here coordinate is, when we are keeping x value 0, we got y value 3. 0 comma 3 is the coordinate, whereas put x is equal to minus 2. You can take any number, no problem. Put y is equal to y. We need to find y value, another value. X is equal to minus 2 take. By that time 2 into minus 2, 2 2s are minus, see 2 2s are 4. Before that minus symbol is there, minus 4 plus 3. Minus 4 plus 3 means minus 1 getting. So different signs is there means subtract 4 minus 3, 1 will get. More sign minus, so that's why minus 1 is getting. For linear polynomial, 2 points is enough, not more than that. If you want to take, you can take, no problem. The minimum points to draw a line, 2 points is enough. So 2x plus 3 line graph we are going to draw. After substituting the value in a graph, you put the or plot the value in a graph paper, you will get that very clearly. Later we will discuss again cubic polynomial. Now we are going to discuss plotting the point. See here, I am taking the previous points. First of all, you need to draw, x-axis one line. This is x, o, x dash. Horizontal line is called x-axis. Suppose you are drawing vertical line, y, o, y dash. This is vertical line. Suppose you are going to write first on the right side top corner on x-axis, scale we should draw. Yes, scale we should write. It is entire with the pencil only we should write. On x-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. On y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Now I am going to plot the points. Here 0, 1, 2, 3 positive x-axis. Just I am keeping the values. Each 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. No, that's why I am keeping like this. Left hand side -1, -2, -3. Upside y value positive value 1, 2, 3, 4. Downside -1, -2, -3. Like that you are going to give the points, because we have taken scale as 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. That's why we are taking as each 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Now plot the point. We got first 0, 3, 0. First x coordinate 0. Second coordinate is 3. 0, 3 is here. I am writing beside of that to draw a straight line afterwards. It is convenient. That's why I wrote like this 0, 3 beside. Later next point is -2, here I am pointing C1s, -2, -1. We got a second point is -2, -1. Any 2 points, if you know, means you can join them with scale. You can extend it on either side. That means that side and this side, both sides you can extend it. Where it cuts x-axis means where it cuts x-axis -1, -2. In between it is cutting. That means -1.5. -1.5. At -1.5 it meets x-axis. That's why its value of the given polynomial is -1.5. It shows a straight line. Now verification or justification I am going to explain. See, verification and either verification or justification or check, they'll ask p of x is equal to y is equal to 2x plus 3. That is the given equation. So p of x is equal to 0. We should get the 0 value. That's why we must equate with p of x is equal to 0. 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. 2x is equal to, transfer that side, it will come -3. X is equal to, here 2 is multiplied, transfer that side, it will be dividing, -3 by 2. That means -1.5 we got. Previously graphical solution got -1.5. Even checking value also -1.5 we got. This is the straight line graph. Another graph we are going to discuss, that is parabola. Very important graph, which is how we are going to plot. In this way, suppose you are drawing means you will get 8 marks question as it is. One of the graphs from the polynomial, either polynomials or linear equations in 2 variables, graphs will be given in the public exam. So better to practice all these models, one chapter at one place. Another chapter I shall tell you later. Those at one graph paper you practice. That's why I drawn in only one graph paper. Suppose y is equal to x square minus 3x minus 4 is given. This is quadratic polynomial. Means that degree is 2. That means 2 zeros will be present. 2 zeros will be present. But generally p of x is equal to y is equal to x square minus 3x minus 4 we are taking. P of x means polynomial is represented like that. Either y or p of x you can write. So to get that points we need to take much points, means it will cover more parabola. For that at least 8 to 9 points are there, means it will be adjusting. In some occasion there may be less points also getting, because based on the graph given question it will be present. Now you take x value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left hand side -1, -2. Why we are taking like this only, means if you finished earlier checking verification, this must be practice in the graph paper beside only, because This is the question. Opposite to that, the graph should be present. This is the sum. Algebraic orientation, sums entire you should write in a line sheet only, not graph side. Graph side only graph we should write. This can be written with pen, but graph sheet entire we should use only pencil. So to get this, what we need to take means that what are the values we should take. X means, for that I am going to tell justification, that is algebraic method you have learnt already in the class 8th and 9th level. Justification or verification. P of x is equal to x square minus 3x minus 4. So split the middle term we need to take. X square into minus 4 you write. That means extreme terms you multiply. X square minus into minus 4. That means minus 4x square coming. Suppose minus 4x plus 1x. You are adding means you will get the middle term minus 3x. You are multiplying means minus 4 into 1 minus 4 only. X into x, x square. This is the splitting the middle term, the best method to show that. That's why I am giving as like tree structure. X square minus 4x plus 1x minus 4. Here you can take in both two terms. Here two terms, x only you can take common. X you take common. X remaining word is remaining number x only. That means variable. X into x, x square. 4 into x, 4x. Before minus is there, that's why minus 4x. Now in these two we cannot take a variable, but one you can take. One take common. 1 into x, 1x minus 1 into 4 minus 4 only. Now in these two, x minus 4 is common. X minus 4 is common. So x minus 4 remaining variable is x here. Constant is plus 1. So after taking the common x plus x minus 4, we left x in the first term, plus 1 is the second term. So P of x is equal to 0 we want, because to get the zeros we need to equalize with 0. X minus 4 into x plus 1 is equal to 0. X minus 4 is equal to 0. X plus 1 is equal to 0. Now transfer that side, you will get x is equal to 4. Now transfer this side, x is equal to minus 1 getting. So two zeros we got 4 comma minus 1. So that's why we need to take 4 after another one more x value you take up to 5. Here x is equal to minus 1, we should take left hand side of the minus 1 means minus 2 you can take. That is the specialty. If you find first justification means what is the table we need to prepare in the graph sheet, you can understand very easily. What we got, x value one time minus 1. So beside of that minus 2 right, that is the minimum value. There 4 we got another value, 4 after 5 you can take. These points are enough to draw the graph sheet. Now x value minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you do the sum with the graph, you can understand very easily. So first one, x square, here 4, minus 2 square means 4 only. There minus 1 square means 1 only. 0 square means 0 only. 1 square means 1. 2 square means 4. 3 square means 9. 4 square means 16. 5 square 25. That is x square value first. With minus 3 into x, we need to find. Minus 3 into minus 2 means 3 2s are 6, minus into minus plus 3. So minus into minus plus. So 3 2s are 6. Minus 3 into minus 1 means plus 3. 3 into 0, 0 only. But minus 0 plus 0 won't be present. 0 only. So minus 3 into 1, minus 3. Minus 3 into 2, minus 6. Minus 3 into minus 3 into plus 3, minus 9. Minus 3 into 4, minus 12. Minus 3 into 5, minus 15. So we got up to this minus 3x value. Fourth value is there, minus 4. It is common for all, because in the given polynomial there is a minus 4. That's why always take minus 4 in the last third column. Minus 4, minus 4, minus 4, like that you take every point. Now y value means add all these 3, what you will get? 4 plus 6, 10. 10 minus 4 means 6 only. Otherwise, you can cancel plus 4 minus 4. You will get the 6 value. Later, 1 plus 3, 4. This will be minus 4. Plus 4 minus 4 getting cancelled. Yeah, we will get 0. So, now you can write 0 value. Now, 0 here see 0, 0, minus 4. Minus 4 only. Add all these value. There is no change in that. Minus 4. 1, minus 3, minus 4. This will be minus 7. It will be plus 1. That means minus 6 getting. Here plus 4, minus 4 get cancelled. Minus 6 will be present. So minus 6 is there for y value. Now 9 minus 9 get cancelled. Minus 4 will be remained. So minus 4 is next y value. 16 minus 12 minus 4. Minus 12 minus 4 means minus 16. This is plus 16. Plus 16 minus 16 get cancelled. 0 are getting. Yes, 0 is getting. 4. Next we will discuss about all x comma y coordinate points. Now 5 take. Here 15 minus 4 means minus 19. 25 minus 19 means 6 coming. So now take x comma y. First x point minus 2. Y value 6 got. Minus 2 comma 6. Minus 1 comma 0. Y value 0 we got. 0 comma minus 4. This one. 1 comma minus 6. This point. 2 comma minus 6. This point. 3 comma minus 4. This point. Yes. 4 comma 0. Okay. Another point. Last point is 5 comma 6. All these are plotting in the graph. X comma y is plotting point. Actually, after completion of the graph paper only we should do the verification or checking. But before to draw the graph, better to do check and verification or justification earlier. Later you draw this table so that you can draw easily the graph paper. Now we are plotting those in a graph paper. Now I am showing that in a graph, how to plot in a graph. First we should take, now we are going to plot the graph in a graph. How it is coming means it is parabola, what we called parabola, open and upside on y-axis, because that is also a reason. Y is equal to x square, positive value. Y is equal to x square value is present. So positive x square means upside open and will come. Suppose minus values are there, x square coefficient is minus value is there means downside opening will be present. That is in interlevel you will learn. So now we are going to plot the points. That is, first write a scale adjustment. Scale on x-axis is equal to 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. That is according to your convenient you can take. On y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Suppose place is not adjusted, as you can take 1 centimeter is equal to 2 units also, or 5 centimeters also. That is according to your convenience you can take. So I am taking big graph now, that's why you can take 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit on x-axis. On y-axis also 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit I have taken. Now x-axis horizontal line, you know, x dash ox, y dash y dash vertical line, where it meets that is 0 0 origin, you know that o 0 comma 0 origin, 0 0 origin, 1 2 3 1 centimeter, no, 1 2 3 4 5 6 like that you write. Left hand side minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 5. If you know the plotting the points, you can understand very easily. Here with pencil I have drawn, that's why it may be not appeared clearly, but you should draw in the examination only with pencil. Okay, I have drawn blur line as parabola, that's why it is appearing very clearly. But numbers are, I did not write that much blur, that's why it is, seems to be light numbers. Okay, upside 1 2 3 4 up to 7 you can write downside. According to your number you can write 1, 2, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6 I wrote. Now substitute the values. What that means? First point is -2, 6. Already if you written the points you can observe clearly. While I am explaining time, you write the points in one paper. Later you draw, practice. Yes, you practice or draw the graph simultaneously. While explain time only, you can draw that graph by watching the points. -2, 6. That means on x-axis, first x-axis -2, y-axis value 6. -2, 6 means this point. -2 x-axis and y-axis point is 6. -2, 6 point is that. Next, another point is -1, -4. -1, -4. See, -1, 0 is given. Second point, sorry. -1, 0, second point, -1, 0 on the negative x-axis. Later, third point is 0, -4. 0, -4 means downside. Y value -4 downside. 0, -4. Later, fourth point is 1, 6. There I have drawn 1, 6 downside positive x-axis and the negative y-axis -6. 1, 6 I drawn. Later 2, -6 positive side x-axis, negative side y-axis. 2, -6 this point. What I am showing with pen you might have observed. This is 2, -6 this point. 2, -6. Next point is 3, -4. Positive x-axis side positive, y-axis side negative, -4. Already I told in the coordinate table. So if you are writing coordinate table earlier, you can watch this easily. 3, -4. Next 4, 0 on the positive x-axis only. 4 on the x-axis, 0 means opposite that, there only. 4 on the x-axis point at 4, 0. Later 5, 6. This is 5, 6 means this side. 5, 6 is point. Now you should join with the free hand curve only. With the pencil you should draw with a free hand curve, not with a scale. You should draw directly without moving up and down. Just you can draw. If suppose any disturbances are happened, just rub it with eraser and again draw. It is look like a parabola. This is parabola. Okay, open and upside. This is parabola. Another graph we are going to discuss. There in this graph one more important point we should discuss. What that means? This parabola cuts at two different points at x-axis, that is -1, 4. That means it has two zeros, -1, 4, because quadratic polynomial having two zeros, those two zeros, this one only, -1, 4. In the algebraic verification also, in the verification or justification also, I have shown already -1, 4. These two are equal. There, this is algebraical expression. Yes, in the algebraic way verification we have done. Their graphical representation also same value are getting. If suppose different values are coming, means what you have done, it is wrong. Okay, next. Another cubical format equation, x cube minus 4x, x cube minus 4x, that is power is, that means its degree 3. So that's why it is having 3 zeros. Highest power is 3. That's why 3 zeros will be coming. That means 3 roots will be getting. How it is? First, to draw the coordinate table, we need to checking first. Then you will get the values, so that table you can draw very easily. Y is equal to x cube minus 4x, that is y. You know that p of y means p of x only is equal to 0. X cube minus 4x is equal to 0. Take common x in these two. X into x square minus 4 is equal to 0. One time x is equal to 0 one time, x square minus 4 is equal to 0 another time. X is equal to 0, x square is equal to minus 4, transfer this side, plus 4 coming. X is equal to plus or minus, this side square means transformation side root value coming, plus or minus root 4. Plus or minus root 4 means plus or minus 2 value coming. Previously we got x is equal to 0 in that. Here minus 2 one time, plus 2 another time. So total 3 zeros are came. 0, minus 2, plus 2. So we should draw the graph from minus 3 to extra 1 point. Actually minus 2 and plus 2 we got, but extra another x value we need to take to understand clear graph. I have drawn like this: minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. This is coordinate table already. You know that I have explained that x cube minus 4x. If you are adding this, you will get y value. Later x comma y value we are writing in the column, first column. In the second column onwards, you can take the values minus 3, minus 2. Suppose minus 3 whole cube means x cube value means minus 3 cube. 3 cube means minus 27. Minus 4 into minus 3 plus 12 coming. These you add means that minus 27 plus 12. Different sign is there means subtract, and which value is more? Minus 27 is more. 27 minus 12 means 15 coming, but sign more for minus 27, that's why minus 15. Now minus 3 comma minus 15, x comma y value, this one we got. Minus 2 you keep, 2 cube means minus 8, but minus 4 into x means that in the place of x you substitute minus 4, minus into minus plus, 4 2s are 8. So 8 minus 8 get cancelled, 0 coming, minus 2 comma 0. Where we got zeros, there the second coordinate or y point is must coming 0. So minus 1 you keep, minus 1 cube means minus 1 only, minus 4 into minus 1 means plus 4, y value add these two, 4 minus 1 means 3 getting, minus 1 comma 3. Now 0, 0 cube means 0 only, minus 4 into 0, 0 only. So 0 plus yes, 0 add these two, 0 only coming, 0 comma 0. 1, yes 1, 1 cube means 1 only, minus 4 into 1 means minus 4. Here add these two, minus 3 will come because this is different sign, so subtract. 4 minus 1 means 3. For minus 4 more sign minus is there, that's why minus 3 kept. 1 comma minus 3 the point. Now 2 keep, 2 cube means 8, minus 4 into 2 means minus 8 getting, 8 minus 8 0, 2 comma 0 the point, 2 comma 0 is a coordinate x comma y. 3 cube means 27, minus 4 into 3 means that minus 12, y value add these two means that subtraction only because this is negative sign is there. 7 minus 2 means 15, 2 minus 1 means 15, 3 comma 15 is the new point, another point is the last point. While plot in the graph paper we will get the one figure, that is I am going to show now. Now watch the graph. As previously I said, draw two lines perpendicular to each other. One is x-axis, another is y-axis. XO, x dash, OX, one is, another one YO, Y dash is, YO, Y dash is vertical line. You know this is Y, YO, Y dash is vertical line. Horizontal line is called x dash, OX is a horizontal line, you know, that is x-axis. Now plot the points. We are getting the points, different points we got, you know, that we are going to plot. Minus 3 comma minus 15. See, minus 3, minus 15. I am showing in this minus 3, minus 15. Here scale we are taking on x-axis is equal to 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. On y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 2 units we are taking, because place is not sufficient. That's why I have taken like this. 2 units also. According to your convenience, you can take full graph. You are taking in one sum only. In one graph, one sum means you can take yes, that entire graph you will get. But I am adjusting at a time all the questions in one graph. That's why I am adjusting like this. So okay, minus 3 comma minus 15, you can write this first point. Second one, minus 2 comma 0, that is second point. Plot on the yes, x-axis itself, negative x-axis. Later minus 1 comma, see, minus 1 comma 3, this will be 2, 4, in between 3 will be there, minus 1 comma 3. Later next point is 0, 0 coming. You know that already, 0, 0. It is intersection of two axes. Okay. Now 1 comma minus 3. After plotting that point, 1 comma minus 3, here getting 1 is x-axis point, first one, minus 3 here, y side, negative side. So 1 comma minus 3 is point here. Later 2 comma 0 on the x-axis. Later 3 comma 15. Suppose, yes, here 3 comma 15 we should draw like this. The entire graph I have darkened that because it seems to be very light. That's why I have darkened that. 3 comma 15 means see, I have extended that 14 after all 16 I kept with approximate value. There graph not there, that's why I kept 16. In middle 15 will be there. 3 comma, yes, 3 comma 15 means in middle it will be present. So we got a zigzag pattern. It seems to be n like that. Okay, curved shape or different varieties came, but we should not draw with scale, only with manual, means by hand only we should draw the graph. Only for linear graph, first example I said no, that line only you can draw with scale and pencil. Here we should write, yes, we should draw the graph with a free hand curve, what we call free hand curve. We should not draw with pencil. These two graphs are parabola as well as this graph, both should be draw with a free hand curve only. Children, it's very important, 10 marks will come. So splitting the middle term sum also getting, that is another sum as 4 marks or 2 marks coming. So graph paper is very, very vital role playing in the second chapter. Please subscribe and share it. When you are subscribing means you will get the notification when I am doing the videos. When I am uploading the videos, you will get the notification. Whenever you have a time, you can watch leisurely. So better to keep the subscription so that you will get that. Children, have a nice day, children. Thank you.